Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. I'm making this short video to cover an issue that most of the people who are trying to set up an SD-WAN lab in GNS3 or FNG are facing. The fact that we can't, sometimes we can't access SD-WAN via GUI, or we can access and then when we close the lab we come back to open the lab again, we can't access. So it's kind of, sometimes it's intermittent, sometimes it's really a no-go. I mean, some people can't have access. So what I found, the first thing for me, I had to add a user. Running config system, sorry. So I added, apart from the admin user, I added another user, and I put the user in netadmin, in the netadmin group. The reason why I did this is because when you try to log in into the appliances, you see I'm logging in with Medi, but all the times it's asking to set up an initial admin password. So I haven't done this. Okay, I did it once. I think I had some issues, so I haven't done this. So there are a couple of things that you need to check. So the first thing, when you start your vManage, wait for at least 15 minutes. Wait for at least 15 minutes, and you can check your servers with request, your processes with NMS status, this command. So request NMS all status, this command. So you can see they should be running, especially the application server. This should be running. So if I check, all of them are running. There are some, I also found out you can restart that process, request NMS application server, restart. You can also restart that application server. So if you restart it, I think you should wait 15 minutes. But one of the things that is throwing many of us away is the fact that with version 17 or 16 or a couple of other versions, we can put the port going to the NAT cloud in VPN 0. Okay, so because if you're using GNS3, I don't use FNG, but any interface that's going to your that will allow you access the internet. Most of us with version 17, 16, we can leave it in VPN 0. So that's what I did here. So show running config VPN 0. So you see, actually I need to fix, sorry, I'm here, I should be here, sorry. Show running config VPN 0. So you see this interface is the one facing my NAT cloud in GNS3. So I'm accessing the GUI via this interface. Let's check that. Show interface description. So this is the IP address. I can ping it from command prompt. Okay, it's 17.176. I can ping the IP, and at this time it's part of VPN 0. Like I said, we've higher versions, I think starting from around 19, you are not able to access I mean, it's hard. Okay, let me go straight to the point. So what have I done? Let's test first. So that IP is reachable, and I can also get the GUI interface. But when I'm trying to log in with the user that I created, it's just coming, it's bouncing like this. When I try with admin, it's gonna show like wrong password. So at this time I'm not going to change the default user password, but I'm going to do what resolved my issue. So what I think should resolve your issue. So you can go config VPN, take that interface, the interface facing the NAT cloud, so ETH0. Okay, I'm going to remove it from VPN 0, so no, and I'm going to commit. And let's try to ping again. I can't ping anymore, no more pings. So let's move that interface into VPN 512, the management VPN. So I'm going to move it here, and I'm going to, when you move it here, okay, if you do the show interface description, so by default it's gonna be admin down. That's why it's showing down. So what you need to do, you need to no shut it, very easy. And if you're using DHCP, you just go with IP DHCP client, you no shut again, and if you do, I think it should come. Oh, I haven't committed. Commit. Yeah, now it's up. And if we do, let me get out of here and do show interface description, it should get an IP address from DHCP. Yeah, it's got the IP address from DHCP, the same IP. So let's go back here. Let's go try to ping again. Now we can ping it again, and let's go back to the GUI and see if we can access. So I should just refresh the page. Okay, and let me try to log in with the user that I created. You can see now I have access to the vManage GUI. So this threw me off. I was scratching my head, but I think this should be a good fix for you guys. If you liked the video, please like it, put a thumbs up, and